Hi guys, Tom here from Picote Solutions. I just wanted to do a short video just to go through the grabber range that we now have. Most of you will be familiar with the original style grabber with the two pincers. We've also done, for a couple of years now, the large grabber. You'll notice the main difference being it's a lot larger in size, and we also have the 3 pincing teeth rather than just the 2. This is ideal if you need to grab something a lot more substantial, maybe like a house brick or something. The actual teeth on this open up a lot wider than they do on the original grabber. So if there's something quite large down there that you need to get a hold of, maybe a house brick, some big object, this one's obviously the go-to piece. Differences between them both, other than what I've just explained, is the pipe size range that these will work in. Now, for the original grabber, you are okay to use this in 4-inch 100mm pipes. With the large grabber, it needs to be a 150 or above, simply because when you're opening these teeth, obviously it's a lot larger than 4-inch. 10 meters straight out the gate with both of these systems. So 32 feet straight out the gate. You can also add up to 2 further extensions. So you can potentially add another 20 meters or another 64 feet to either of these. We also now do our own push rods, which we uploaded a video quite recently on these new style push rods. One of the things that we're trying to do with the push rods is trying to find more uses for them. So what we've actually incorporated is the original grabber head. We now sell as a separate piece, which interlocks into the push rods that you may or may not already have. So if you already have these for use with our Pro Packers or one of the connection collar systems, you can actually convert these rods into a grabber just by simply purchasing the grabber head, which is a really cool thing. Now, one of the common misconceptions with the grabbers is that you need a miller to be able to power them, or some form of miller to be able to run these machines. But that obviously isn't the case. All you need to power these machines and to use these machines is a compressor. So you'll notice on this side of the handle and on that side of the handle there is an airline connection. So you'll plug the compressor onto there, and then the way that you operate the jaws is by charging this. Obviously just turn your compressor on, and then you have the on-off adapter there. So when you open the valve, the teeth will close, and then the way that you get them to open back up is you would remove the air connection, allow the air to escape, and then the grabber teeth will open back up. Now, inside this outer casing is a solid metal shaft, which allows the head itself to be turned. It has a steering handle on it as well, so you can obviously fine-tune and adjust whatever you need to grab down there, but you can also obviously twist it with the handle. Same goes for the larger grabber, and then with our new push rod system, as we discussed in the video the other day, on the end of the male and on the inside of the female, we actually have a hexagon coupler. So the next rod that you plug in will not just grab onto it like a typical push rod, it will actually lock over the hexagon nut, which will basically form one continuous rod. So that's one of the good things about our rods. Once you start to twist them, you will get movement at the other side, because every single rod interlocks into each other, not just by a male and female, but obviously by the hexagon nut on that side. So yeah, that's the grabbers in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.